Morning, welcome to the channel, welcome to Nat's Supermarket Product Reviews. Today I've got another review to do, and it is a Silentnight heated throw. Heated blanket, heated throw, whatever you want to call it. So come on over and we'll have a look. Right, here's the information and the box for the Silentnight luxury heated throw. It says it's super soft fleece for extra snuggle comfort with 9 heat settings to choose from, and comfort and cozy in just minutes away. It's got a heat protection. It is super soft. It has 9 different heat settings. You can wash it on a 40 degrees wash, and it says from up to 1p to run, but the prices of gas and electric are always going up, so maybe it might be a little bit more now. That's just a reference for you. So there's the side. It's got the same information that I've just read out. On the back, it's got some important instructions. That writing's way too small for me to see that. And it's got there, heat yourself, energy saving, not your home. I have got a little confession to make. I already opened this the other day because, as you know, I brought 2 single electric blankets from Amazon to put on the sofa to keep us warm over night time, and they didn't work. They were completely rubbish. So before I did this video, I had to check that this works. So that's my little confession. It's already been opened, so I'm sorry about that one. Right, I've took the wire out the box. I have come into the lounge because I can't lay the blanket out in the kitchen because it's a little bit big. So we're going to have a look now. Right, this is the wire. And it is quite a long wire, which is good because you're not restricted then just to plugging it in one little bit to try and get it over to your settee or sofa or your chair or your bed. So here's where you plug it in. It's the same one as before with the little dot thing there, and you just push it in till it clips, and it's clipped in. Here's your little box with the heat setting and the on and off. So I'm going to plug it in for you now and we'll have a go. And this blanket is so soft, and you know what, for the size of it, I mean, that's one end of my sofa and it goes all the way along to that end, and it's just the right size for me and Keith to snuggle up, or big enough for you to snuggle, wrap yourself in it, or whatever you want to do. So anyway, let's switch it on now. And it doesn't take long to heat up at all. So there's your on button. I've just pressed it. This is your heat settings. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the other day when I opened it and tried it out, I went on to heat setting 3 and it was roasting. I was so warm, and it is so cozy as well, and it's big enough to wrap all the way around yourself. And like I said, it's just big enough for me and Keith to snuggle under, but Keith's always warm. It's me that's always freezing cold, and you don't always want to put your heat on, do you, just to warm one person up? And yes, I did find this expensive, but in the long run, I think it's better. Right, what I was trying to say before I lost all my words out my mouth and out my head, I was going to turn around and say, yes, I do think it was expensive, £44.99, but in the long run, it's going to be better because you're heating yourself, not your home. You know, you don't sometimes always want to put your heat on. You just want to put an extra blanket on you or something, but with the added bonus with this, you know, you can heat yourself, not your home. So yeah, let's go back into the kitchen and we'll have a talk about it. Right, do I think Silentnight luxury heated throw is worth 5 out of 5? Yeah, I do. I give it top marks. It's really good. The quality is good. The heat settings are really good, and you don't have to go too high. I mean, I use number 2 and it's lovely and warm. Like they say, heat yourself, not your home. It doesn't cost much to run, but like I said, everyone gas and electric is completely different. On the box it says from 1p to run, which we all know it's probably gone up by now. It's super soft. You can machine wash it. So yeah, I'll give it a complete 5 out of 5. I can't wait to wrap myself up in it later on when it gets a bit cold watching the telly. So thank you all for watching Nat's Supermarket Product Reviews, and I will see you all later. Bye.